This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Sonic Generations demo. To begin your adventure, simply open the Steam application and search for Sonic Generations. Once on the game's store page, you will find a clear option to download the free demo. Click this button, and the Steam client will handle the installation automatically. Make sure your system meets the basic requirements for the best experience. Once the demo is installed, launching it will introduce you to the game's core mechanics. You will primarily use the arrow keys or the left analog stick on a controller for movement. Jumping and performing basic attacks are typically assigned to the spacebar or a specific controller button. The demo features two playable versions of Sonic, each offering a unique gameplay style to explore and enjoy. To truly master the demo levels, remember a few key strategies. Always strive to collect as many rings as possible. They act as your health, preventing instant defeat from enemy hits. For modern Sonic, strategically use his boost to dash through obstacles and quickly dispatch enemies. Classic Sonic's Spin Dash is excellent for building momentum and overcoming environmental challenges, so practice both abilities. Should you face any technical difficulties, such as frame rate drops, try lowering the graphics settings within the game's options menu. The Steam community forums are also a fantastic resource for finding solutions to common issues or asking for help from other players. If you have a blast playing through the demo, remember that the full game offers many more levels and hours of exciting gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.